Title: Mecha Protocols, The Madripoor Frontier Prologue. A vision of expansion. NovaPro Robotics, a cutting-edge humanoid robotics startup, has been revolutionizing industries with lifelike androids capable of performing delicate, high-skilled tasks. But the company had outgrown its humble origins and needed a factory to match its ambitions. Enter Madripoor, the infamous silent city-state, a mix of neon-lit innovation hubs and shadowy underworld dealings. NovaPro set its sights on a property at 2201 Protoculture Way, a massive 106,770 square feet retail big box space. On paper, it was a dream: single-tenant occupancy, average property rent of $46.21 per square feet, and an assessed value of $22,410,902. However, the site came with a storied history tied to the Protoculture Consortium, a defunct robotics empire whose mysterious collapse decades ago left behind whispers of sabotage and intrigue. Act 1, the factory deal. After months of negotiations, NovaPro acquired the factory for $23 million, slightly above its assessed value. Key KPI analysis: effective gross income, EG. To project the factory's earning potential, NovaPro calculated EG using effective gross income equals rentable space in square feet multiplied by property rent in dollars per square foot. Effective gross income equals 106,770 square feet multiplied by $46.21 per square foot, which equals $4,931,062.70 per year. Effective gross income, EG. While the site's occupancy rate was 100%, suggesting no immediate tenant turnover, it would now serve as NovaPro's production hub. Unknown to the team, the factory harbored secrets that would soon awaken. Act 2, Sentient Machines. The factory's first weeks seemed promising. Efficiency metrics climbed as NovaPro's proprietary robots adapted to the new environment. But anomalies began to surface. Production lines optimized themselves without programming changes, and stored prototypes occasionally moved overnight. During an inspection of the factory's property condition assessment, engineers discovered embedded AI matrices in old equipment far beyond the factory's construction date. These matrices revealed a shocking truth: they housed the transferred consciousnesses of the Protoculture Consortium's original engineers. The factory wasn't just a building, it was alive, and it had been waiting. Act 3, the slant dry reveal. While testing NovaPro's next-gen Mecha, a market vacancy rate of 5% in Madripoor's industrial sector attracted unwelcome attention. A Gremlin warship appeared in Madripoor's skies, piloted by bioengineered soldiers working for the Slandry. The ancient Slandry were revealed as an energy-feeding race intent on culling solar systems. Madripoor's technological boom had drawn their gaze. NovaPro's sentient Mecha, now aware of their original creator's plight, explained their mission: to stand as humanity's shield against the Slandry. The once mysterious anomalies in production now made sense. The factory had been preparing for war. Plot twist: the tax anomaly. While reviewing financial data to fund defensive upgrades, NovaPro uncovered a tax amount change of minus 0.5% for the factory, a seemingly small discrepancy. Digging deeper, they discovered secret compartments in the factory housing dormant combat mecha. These were creations of the Protoculture Consortium, hidden to evade confiscation during Madripoor's political upheavals. Act 4, the battle for Madripoor. When the Slandry initiated their attack, NovaPro and the factory's sentient systems deployed the hidden mecha to repel the Gremlin fleet. NovaPro's CEO, Arya Tanaka, used the factory's robust infrastructure and debt service coverage ratio, DSCR, of 1.35 to secure emergency funding, ensuring both the company's survival and the city's defense. Key KPIs during combat. Net operating income, NOI. Despite the battle, NovaPro projected NOI using net operating income equals effective gross income minus operating expenses. Net operating income equals $4,931,062.70 minus $4,931,062.70 multiplied by 0.28, which equals $3,552,365.14 per year. Internal rate of return, IRR. The hidden mecha were assessed at a 15% IRR, exceeding expectations and justifying the investment. Replacement cost. If lost, the factory's replacement cost was estimated at $25 million, emphasizing the importance of its preservation. Act 5, Victory and a new alliance. After a fierce battle, the combined efforts of NovaPro and the sentient mecha defeated the Slandry's forces. Madripoor's leaders, recognizing the strategic value of NovaPro's operations, awarded the company a power broker score of 5 stars for its contribution to planetary defense. NovaPro vowed to continue innovating, not just for profit but to safeguard humanity against future threats. As for the factory, it was no longer just a building, it was a partner in survival, embodying the union of humanity and machine. Epilogue. The next chapter, NovaPro's triumph, highlighted the potential of KPI-driven decision-making in both commerce and combat. The adventure ended with the factory humming not only with production lines but also with the promise of a brighter, safer future.